Hi guys, we've just arrived at our hotel.
Hello.
We're staying in Tui Suneo in Santa Ponsa. It's one of 3 hotels in the complex. We're stopping in the Pionero Globles. So we just got into our room. We asked for a high room, so we're number 555. So we'll start with the bathroom. I haven't taken you out in the passage because it's full of busy out in the passage with lots of people. So this is the bathroom. So you've got your normal sink, and you've got your mirror for in case you wanted to shave. And you've got the toilet. Should we see how clean it is? Not too bad. Good. So this is the nice shower, walk-in shower. It's very pretty, isn't it? I've seen these on the vlog, so we knew sort of what to expect. Right, so here's the body of the room. So we've got a sofa bed. It's a little bit, could do with a bit of a clean, but it's not too bad, is it, David?
It's all right.
Then we got the double bed. It could be a king size, I'm not too sure. King size, do you think?
No, just normal bed.
And then you got the wardrobe with the hanging rail and the safe, and we've got a free bag, Globalist Summer. We can use for our shopping or bits and bobs. So we got sockets at either side of the bed, lights at either side of the bed, and that's a nice pretty light above the sofa. And then turn you around, and we got the TV. I'm not sure why oh, that's better. Reduced it a bit. It was a bit too close up there. So there's David. So we got a fridge in here. Voila. 2 bottles of Coke. So we've got drawers.
These are the cups.
And these are the cups you get when you're all inclusive. These are for around the pool. So you get yourself a drink. And then when you want another drink, they swap the cup over. Don't lose the cup though, because it costs you money. Not too sure how much it is.
No, not sure.
But you do. It does cost money. So when you come here, you pay a resort tax. We paid, was it 60 something euros, was it? Quite pricey, I thought, but never mind. It's sort of like a lot of places do that. So we shall go outside. We've got a street view and a side view of the pool, which we're quite happy with. So it's a nice big balcony. And so yeah, so there's the street view. Nice houses up on the hillside, and there's some of the pools along there. And that's one of the roof terraces you can sunbathe on, which looks nice. Yeah, so we'll have an explore once we freshen up and things. So we've got little shops and restaurants down there, which is handy. So yeah, well, not too bad a room, not too bad a view. So straight down there is the beach. Yeah, so you got the use of 3 hotels. There's 2 next to each other and there's 1 across the road. So, which is quite good. So it was a bit of a nightmare at the airport because we waited 2 hours for our cases. They took forever. Anyway, so that's a quick tour of the room, just to get you gist. It's a nice size, isn't it, David?
No, it's just
Nice size, yeah.
Yep.
So anyways, we shall see you all later after we've freshened up. Bye for now.